Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So here after the successful login of this user, so if you are in adminindex.php file here, so it's time to come for us to start the playing around with a dashboard for it make look like our demo. I have already shown you in CMS first number video. So we add some graphical functionality here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have the one zip file, this one. Okay. So this file I have already mentioned in the description of this video. So click on that link and download this file. So see here, after downloading, here we extract this folder. Then there is one HTML file, this one. Okay. So here we copy all of these data. So Control C, and we are going to the bracket editor, and here we opening the admin index.php file. So this is the admin section, this is the index.php file. Okay. So see here, after this closing this the row tag, div and the row tag, here we paste all of this data. Okay. So here we use the Control V shortcut to paste this code. See here, now here we paste all of this data. See here, paste all of this data. So save these changes and test here into this file. Now perfect. So here we display all of these data here statically. So this 12 number, 23 number, and this category, user, comment, sports, all of these values are the static. Now it's time to make a dynamic. Okay. So see here again, we are going to this file, this one. Okay. So see here, this the huge 12 number. Then next one is that the comments 23 number. So all of these numbers are the static, means that these numbers are the fixed. Okay. Now here we want to display the count of the post, means that how many posts are in your database or in your application, how many comments, how many users, and how many categories. Then see here side by side, this is your database. So see, the total number of posts is that the 2. So here I want to display the 2 numbers instead of this 12. So now we convert this 12 into the 2 by using some dynamic code, this one. Okay. So after this div tag, we add the one PHP script here. So here we pass the one query, select star from post. Okay. Then we use the one variable MySQL underscore query, and we execute this query, pass the one query. Then there is a one built-in function. So my variable is that the post count. So function name is that the MySQLi num rows. Okay. So this function count the number of rows in your the queries. Okay. And pass here the result. So your number of rows is that your total count in your the database table. Okay. And this variable post count is replaced inside this 12 tag. So again here we are use the one PHP script. Okay. And we use the one echo, and we print the post count. Okay. So see here we save these changes we refresh this page. See, okay, 2. Now we similarly copy paste this code in this other things and we change the table name. Okay, so see here, we copy the script, this one. Okay, so we are going to some below of this code. So next one is that the 23 of these comments. So see here, we paste this code here again. We change the query, select star from comments. Okay, so your variable name is that the comment count. Here again PHP echo comment count. Okay, so here we print this the comment count here. Again we are going to some below section. So here users, again we paste this code. Okay, so select star from users and here we change the variable user count. So same here, instead of this 23 we print this variable echo user count. Then last one is that the here categories. Again we paste this code, we change the query. So see here, oh same, select star from users. Perfect. Same here, select star from categories. Okay, now this is the category column, category count, and here PHP echo $category count. Okay, so here we change the query categories and this category count is printed here. Same here, in this above section we change the query users and use the variable user count, and here the query name is that the comments, variable comment count, and this is the post, variable post count. So save these changes and we test it again. So see here, 2 posts, 4 comments, 3 users, 3 categories. See here, 2 posts, then see comments is that the 4, yes, then the users is that the 3, correct, and the categories are also 3. Perfect. We next work is that the view details. See here, if you click on this view details, then you are redirected to the view post.php file, this one. If you, this one here, this one, same here. If you click on this view details, then you are redirected to the view comments. Then see here users.php, then see here categories.php. So first we finish this task. So again going to this bracket editor, see here, this is the view detail section. Okay, and this is the post. So see here, we have already mentioned the file name is that the post.php. So we cross check the others. See here, this is the comments.php. Okay, no problem. Then next one, this is the users.php. Fine. And this one is that the categories.php. Perfect. So there is no need to add some extra code. So we test this code here. Click on this view details. See, perfect. Now again, if you click on these comments, okay, then click on this view details. See here users.php. So we test it, this link again see here categories, categories.php. Okay, so So see here again, users.php. So if you click on this users, then see users.php file, view all users and add users. So here if you click on this view all users, so here we are not giving the links of this section. So first we do these changes. So we are going to this admin navigation.php file. So this one, users, so users.php file, so see this file is shifted to this other location, this one. So it is going to this include directory. So we move this file into the admin directory. Okay, so we are going to this project location. See here, C drive. This is the XAMPP folder where my project location is stored. Then htdoc cms. See here, we move this users file inside this admin folder. Okay, now we refresh this content, refresh the file tree, see users.php. Okay, now we test it again. So this is the admin. See here, users, view all users, perfect. So if you click on this view details, then you are also redirected to this users.php file. Okay, perfect. So all of these tasks are running smoothly.